The best months for production in Florida, which people are unaware of, because they think, you know, in the summertime when it's the hottest, panels are generating the most electric then. The best months of production are actually like March, April and May, because we're getting more hours of sunlight then, but it's not really humid out, and the panels actually operate better when it's cooler out. Plus, you know, like in summertime, we get like cloudy afternoons and that kind of stuff as well, because it's rainy season. So March, April and May are the best months of production, and that's where you're actually gone. So say if we put a system in like January, February time, you know, it's still like we're getting less hours a day, like that kind of stuff, but your AC's not cranked up, is it, all the time? So when you get into like March, April and May, that's when the meter's going to be spinning backwards like crazy, and you're going to rack up credits, which you're then going to use in the summer months of the year, like June, July and August.